National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Montague County in north central Texas, northeastern Wise County in north central Texas, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:53 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Albert, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. The tornado will be near Forestburg around 9:25 p.m. Move to an interior bathroom, closet, or hallway on the lowest floor of your building. Cover yourself with blankets, pillows, or mattress for protection. Now let's check on your local forecast for the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. Late afternoon tonight, mostly cloudy with showers and thunderstorms likely. Lows in